How is your day going so far? I'm Yevhen, a technician at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. It was time to repair Samsung appliances. The company received a service call to repair a Samsung washer model WF340ANG in the Waverley Heights area of Winnipeg. Description of the Samsung washer malfunction. The washer isn't spinning. Diagnostics. I open the door of the washer and inspect the tank. Gotcha. The tank has fallen onto the drum, which means the crosspiece holding it inside is broken. Both the tank and the crosspiece need to be replaced. Repair. The washer is in the same column as the dryer, so I unscrew the fasteners that connect the column of equipment. I needed my colleagues' help with this repair. Together we remove the dryer from the washer and I begin to disassemble the washer. I unscrew the top and front covers to get to the tank with the drum. I disconnect the shock absorbers, wiring and rubber pipes. I take out the tank, unscrew the screws and separate it into two halves. Having gained access to the drum, I take it out. The crosspiece is completely destroyed. My opinion about the destruction of the crosspiece. Low-quality alloy material was used by the manufacturer in the manufacture of the crosspiece. I carefully clean both halves of the tank, add grease to the sealing gland and install a new drum with a crosspiece. I assemble the tank. With the help of colleague, I installed the tank with the drum in its place. Fixed the pipes, wiring and shocks absorbers in their places. After carefully checking that everything is in place, I finally assembled the washer, installed the dryer on it with my colleague and secured the entire column. After installing the equipment in its place, I checked the operation of both the dryer and the washer. Everything works. I checked that all processes in the washer are correct and made sure that there are no water leaks. Success! After replacing the drum with a crosspiece, the Samsung washer works perfectly in all modes and is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions about repairing your Samsung washer or any other appliances, leave a comment and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.